but not the least, is hard work and discipline. Like in any other new skill that you wish to develop for yourself, you need to have the commitment and the patience to put in the amount of time, the work, the efforts to learn the skills well and practice them properly. So definitely hard work and discipline is very much needed to become a good data scientist, especially because this field is evolving very fast and every day there is some new techniques, some new work that has been done in the data science field, and you should be able to have that commitment and passion to follow it through so that you are able to practice it and learn it and practice it properly in your business.